So segment 8, I'm starting from here like I just stabbed somebody. I drop it down. Then I'm gonna bring my hands a little bit closer, back, down, around, and then flip into my X stance, right hand palm down, left hand palm up. So full speed from here, I'm dropping, and then I'm coming around. So one more time, here, drop, down, around. My right foot comes up, stab, right foot comes back up, stab again. Someone's impaled on the bow staff now, so I don't want the bow staff to come up because I wouldn't be able to lift somebody. So I'm gonna pull it back and away. My left foot steps over to reinforce my left elbow, keeping pressure on it. My right foot comes back here so I can't let go so the bow staff won't slide. Then my left hand goes palm up, right hand palm down. Then I drop the person. I'm gonna come up and then I'm gonna clean the bow staff, getting ready for my next segment.